So I've always wondered if these little alignment things, what do you call these things?
The pods or the
Yeah, the pods. Do they not scratch the wheel?
Not really, but you can't go too tight. You have to like kind of feel it.
So if you go really tight, then you end up scratching the wheel. I've gotten my alignment done here maybe 20-30 times, and I've never seen a scratch on the outside, but I could see that happening though. Now, I know some people will say, why don't you just put a piece of tape on there so it doesn't scratch, but
the problem, it can slip off, and then if
Yeah.
it slips off, then it scratches the whole face of the wheel. And
Right.
it breaks the pod, and then you can't finish the alignment. So it's a little tricky. You have to find
a balance right there.
balance. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes when I'm being extra, doing other things, not specifically alignment, I end up ruining something because I should have just done it, you know, the original way, other than like putting tape on it and trying to protect it. But as you can see right there, it's super tight, but it actually doesn't scratch it. I've checked, because when I got these wheels brand new, I was like, don't scratch them. They have the other ones that go around the wheel, but you know, that's not the alignment ones that they have here. I think the one that goes over the wheel is a little bit more expensive, and also it sometimes doesn't fit if you're super slim like this. So these are just like tried and true OGs from Hunter. So there you go. All right, Evasive Motorsports doing my alignment today.